Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue square ABCD along with these line segments DG, this line segment CE, and this segment AF, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle AFE is 90 degrees, and likewise this angle CED is 90 degrees as well. And moreover, this segment AF is 5 units, whereas this tiny segment EF is 3 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue square ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this blue square ABCD. Since this is a square, so all the sides are equal in length. So therefore, if I label this side length of this square as lowercase a, then this side length is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue square ABCD, and now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area is always equal to S square, where S represents the side length of the square. And in our case, the side length of this square is A. Then the area of this blue square is going to be lowercase a whole square. And now our task is to find the value of A square. And furthermore, bear in mind that since we are dealing with this square, so all these interior angles of this blue square are going to be 90 degrees each. And here's our next step. We are going to focus on these two right triangles, this right triangle AFD and this other right triangle CED. And now let's assume that alpha and beta are our two complementary angles. In other words, the sum of these two angles, alpha plus beta, must be equal to 90 degrees. And now let's focus on this right triangle AFD. Let's assume that this angle is our angle alpha. Since this is our 90-degree angle, so therefore this angle has got to be our angle beta. And now we know that this angle is our 90-degree angle, this is our angle beta, so therefore this remaining angle has got to be our angle alpha. And let's focus now on this other right triangle CED. We know this angle is alpha, this angle is 90 degrees, so therefore this angle has got to be our angle beta. So therefore we conclude that these two right triangles, triangle AFD and this other triangle CED, are our congruent triangles according to side angle congruency theorem. And now since these two triangles are congruent, so therefore this corresponding side AF and this side DE are congruent as well. And we know our AF segment length is 5, so therefore our this DE segment length is going to be 5 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole segment DF is going to be equal to the sum of these two individual segments 5 and 3. So therefore this DF segment length has got to be 8 units. And now once again we know that these two triangles are congruent. So therefore this segment CE is going to be equal to this corresponding segment DF. And we know our this DF segment length is 8. So therefore our this CE segment length has got to be 8 units as well. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle CED. And we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, this side is hypotenuse, and these are our two legs. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So our this a square is going to be 5 square plus b square is going to be 8 square equal to our hypotenuse is a square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us 25 plus 64 is going to be equal to a square. And if we combine these constants, our a square is going to be equal to 89. And now let's recall this equation. The blue square area is equal to a square, and our a square value turns out to be 89. So therefore our this blue square ABCD area is going to be equal to 89 square units as well. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue square ABCD turns out to be 89 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.